Make sure to grab a few friends and stay indoors until the rain clears up. Our little town has weathered many storms, and I know Happy Harbor will have clear skies again before we know it.
Oh, here we go.
Hi, folks. Is everyone having a super day? Oh, come on. I think you can do better than that. Is everyone having a super Seaworld day? Well, welcome to Shamu Happy Harbor. My name's Sam, and I'm so excited for all of you to be here with us to celebrate Seaworld's 60th anniversary. We are going to have the best day ever. Are you ready to help us celebrate? I need help gathering all my friends, and I know just who to call. My friend knows everyone from the past 60 years. Do you want to meet him? It's Shamu!
Hi, folks! I'm here. Sam, I've been looking everywhere for you.
Everywhere? I've been here the whole time. Where exactly did you look?
Mainly in the fish market. They're having a special on salmon.
Well, that's great. I need your help finding all of our friends and getting Happy Harbor ready for the celebration. We've got a lot of work to do. So, oh no, Shamu, look! Happy Harbor's been damaged by the storm. What on earth are we going to do? We have our party today.
Oh, Sam, don't worry. If we put our heads together, we can fix this. And I know just the team to call. What would you think if I called on my friends? Would they get up and join me as well? Give me your hand and I'll sing you a song, and I'll try not to sing out of key. Oh, I get by with a little help from my friends. I get by with a little help from my friends. Oh, I'm gonna try with a little help from my friends.
Who should we call to help fix up this mess? I just hope that they answer our call. Shivers and Coral are coming along, so we don't have to do this alone. No, I get by with a little help from my friends. I get by with a little help from my friends. Oh, I'm gonna try with a little help from my friends. Do we need anybody? We need somebody to help.
It could be anybody. We want somebody to help. Hey, I am here and excited to be.
Yes, I can't wait to help you guys out.
It's Coral.
Hey, everyone! This will be so much fun! I'll always be there for my friends!
I get by with a little help from my friends. I get by with a little help from my friends. Oh, I'm gonna try with a little help from my friends.
Do you need anybody?
I just need somebody to help.
Could it be anybody?
I get by with a little help from my friends.
Gonna try with a little help from my friends.
Oh, I get by with a little help from my friends.
With a little help!
Yes, I get by with a little help from my friends.
I get by with a little help
From my friends.
Oh, I'm so glad the whole team's back together again. It's been a long time. Now we've got a big job to do. Let's clean up this mess.
You got it, Sam! What do you say, team?
I'm in, OP.
Me too. We'll have oceans of fun.
All right, everyone. Let's get to work.
Hold on, everyone. You think you can do this without us?
No way! We would have missed this for all the fish in the world.
It's Pete and Penny Penguin.
We missed you!
I'm so glad to see you, Pete and Penny. Now, let's get Happy Harbor rockin' and rollin'.
We built this city. We built this city with all our friends. We built this city. We built this city with all our friends.
Say you don't know me or recognize my face. Say you don't care who goes to that harbor place.
Knee deep in the hoopla, sinking in this fight. Too many broken things, eating up the night.
Oh, Winston plays the mamba. Listen to the radio. Don't you remember when we built this city? We built this city with all our friends.
We sure did.
We built this city.
Oh yeah!
We built this city with all our friends. Built this city.
Oh yeah!
We built this city with all our friends.
Someone's always working to rebuild.
Yes, that's right.
This time it's all of us, so let's be strong-willed.
We just wanna dance here. Oh man, someone stole the stage.
They call us incapable. They write us off the page.
Oh, Winston plays the mamba. Listen to the radio. Don't you remember when we built this city? Looking great. We built this city with all our friends. We built this city. That's right. We built this city with all our friends. Built this city. Great job, everyone. We built this city with all our friends. It's just another great day on a fixable street. Yes, we've almost got it.
We got it.
Oh, come on.
We've got the beat.
We built this city.
Looking great, friends.
We built this city with all our friends. Built this city, yeah. We built this city with all our friends. Built this city.
Yeah!
We built this city with all our friends. Built this city. Just like I remember. We built this city with all our friends.
We did it, and it looks better than ever.
Oh, it sure does, Opie. Great job, everyone.
Thank you, crew. It looks great. But I think we need to add one final touch. What's that, Shamu? When a generation's coming of age, choosing a path, turning the page, another generation's watching to show the way. They're reaching, teaching, and by design, giving and receiving, passing it all down the line, making a connection, thriving side by side, season after season, ebbing and flowing like the tide, taking in the wonder, spreading far and wide, being there together, sharing it all, side by side.
Many times it happens just by surprise. Out in the world, in front of your eyes, you see a
season, ebbing and flowing like the tide, taking in the wonder, spreading far and wide, being there together, sharing it all, side by side. Now with you by my side, suddenly everything's right. And with you by my side, everything seems to go right. Making a connection, thriving side by side, season after season, ebbing and flowing like the tide, taking in the wonder, spreading far and wide, being there together, sharing it all, side by side, yes, side by side, making a connection, sharing it all, side by side.
I love this crew. Best friends forever. Oh, Shamu, the flag looks just perfect.
It's just how I remember it.
And now we can start our celebration.
I am so glad you brought the gang back together again, Shamu.
Me too, Bee. What a special occasion.
I'm glad we get to share this amazing anniversary with all our friends and
Oh,
family.
me too, OP. Spending time with the people you love makes everything better.
Well, you are my family. What would Shamu be without its crew? A mountain leads to a valley, an ocean leads to a shore. It's all combined and intertwined. We're all connected to more.
Some try to live like an island out there on their own, but soon you're sure to find no one stands alone.
We're one people, one planet, one ocean, brilliant and blue.
One world with one dream.
And one chance to make it come true.
One moon above, two gaze upon, and all of us wait beneath the same sun.
So many creatures different from me.
Cover the earth and swim in the sea, and it all turns out we're one. If we could see the future, the world our children would find, our legacy will surely be the planet we leave behind.
We've all been taught as a child, you give and you'll receive. Well, look what we've been given, so miracle will leave.
We're one people, one planet, one ocean, brilliant and blue. One world with one dream.
And one chance to make it come true.
One moon above, two gaze upon, and all of us wait beneath the same sun.
So many creatures different from me.
Cover the earth and swim in the sea, and it all turns out we're one. So many nations fill every land, speaking with words we don't understand.
Yet it all ends up.
It all comes down.
It all turns out.
We're one people,
One family,
One planet,
one journey,
one ocean,
one message,
One future.
one circle, one people, one family,
one planet,
one journey,
one ocean,
one message,
one future.
one circle.
Yes, it all turns out we're one.
we're one.
around here, Happy Harbor has never shined brighter. Thank you.
We couldn't have done it without all our friends.
It's fun being with friends.
And when we work as a team, anything is possible.
We are so lucky we get to celebrate our 60th anniversary with the entire crew.
Thank you, Shamu, for bringing us all together again.
I guess there's only one thing left to do.
Happy birthday to us!
Shivers, you're one cool bear.
Let's celebrate!
Yeah!
Come on in, hear the sound. This is where it all begins. Feel the waves gather round. This is where the future lives.
Looking up to the planets in the sky, come down, can you look me in the eye? Can you feel the rhythm of the oceans ebb and flow? It's how you get from here to there. You can make a difference everywhere you go, and all around you.
This is our time.